What's up, everybody? I'm going to do a quick video. So I created this image, and it was based off the ideas of some people on Superstonk and Game. I'm not going to post over there. There's a lot of issues with the community, so whatever. Anyways, if you happen to cross this video, I don't really care what you do or don't think, what you do or don't like. I'm simply giving an opinion. I'm not trying to give you dates. I'm not trying to hype up GameStop. Even with this, as a matter of fact, when I talk about earnings, I'll probably upset you. But just hear me out, okay? This is just my opinion and how I'm playing it. So, full disclosure, I own shares long before 2021. I still own those shares, by the way, years later. I will still own them years from now. Here's what I will say. Kind of interesting if you overlay the emojis weekly. And I know there's a lot of theories around the emojis. Let me explain the most compelling ones, at least in my mind. Okay, you got the dead down here. Then you have almost like, what is this? Like disguise. Hey, look, it's going up. You have the tweet of him back, gamer leaning forward. I find that interesting. If you look, this lines up on this week with, oh boy, what am I doing? When he was buying Chewy. So that's kind of fascinating. Then you have the heart for the week that the 13G gets released. Fascinating. Okay. Fascinating. We're together in this type thing. So I really like that. I was looking forward in green when he tweeted that. Earnings are forward looking and they were green. It was positive. So that's where I think the dog stock came in. I get the Liberty Sirius speculation. I like that, actually. I still think that's a great play. If you go by the weekly emojis, that doesn't line up. It misses by a week. So this is where I speculate him posting on Labor Day week, red eyes. I'm looking back at GameStop, right? And I get these eyes weren't blue for Chewy, but the background was. So that's why, again, green didn't matter there. But here they're distinctly red. Watch GameStop's earnings. Now, on GameStop's earnings, I think there's a lot of hype in the community that it could go up. And I hope so too. I hope it rockets and there's positive development. But I also would not be shocked if the price got suppressed and it got to a lot of people because the stupid claims of, oh, the 4 billion's a one-time thing. It's a dying business model. Who cares that they beat for a quarter or whatever? Like, we still don't believe in the company long term. We're going to downgrade or whatever. You know, they play these games. It never stops. It's been going for long before these last couple of years. It's been going since the market's been in existence, right? So that would also play in better, in my opinion, to Kitty lighting a fire and causing an explosion. And again, you can speculate and argue that the fire's already been lit. There was an explosion here. But the point is, I really kind of like this theory. Again, I'm not telling you to buy or sell. I'm not telling you to play options. I'm not telling you to do anything. I have options around the earnings catalyst. I have options through the end of the year, but I have a lot of shares. I mean, that's the main thing is shares, right? I just wanted to point out what I'm seeing, how I'm feeling about it, what my thoughts are, because I don't think he could have called, the offerings. If you think about it, this would have still been going, and an explosion. Maybe this was a drop off. I don't know. Again, I could see the emojis, even if I was off a week, right? But the thing is, the Chewy earnings, Labor Day, and then this set of eyes, whether that's a catalyst of like Game's earnings, and he's like, we'll just have to see, and then I know what I'll do from there. I have no idea. Could he be a time traveler? Absolutely. I've just been fascinated. It's fun to speculate. Put on some tinfoil. Don't take it too seriously. I hope you all have a great week. And maybe I'll see you in another year. See ya.